Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I have for you some very important summer skincare essentials. Now most of the products that I have for you here are super affordable and these range from face washes to toners, face masks, sunscreens and a lot more. So sit tight and watch this video until the end. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account. I'm going to leave the handle somewhere on the screen and also in the description box somewhere. And without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So a quick update on me, because I did mention in one of my videos that I'm feeling a bit lazy and low, and so many of you sent your love across. I am feeling a lot more energized, I'm working a lot more, and I wanted to pep myself up a little bit more. That's why I'm wearing this very sort of a peppy, fancy kind of a floral top. I usually like to go with the understated clothes, but this one right here is colorful and really floral and very symbolic of the summer. Also has some bell sleeves right here, so if you see these flowing around while I show you stuff, don't mind me. The first thing that I have for you here is something that is so important in everyone's daily skincare or whatever care routine that you call this. Now this is a Nivea Fresh deodorant, and if you live in a city like Delhi, which is so humid and so warm, you really need to make sure that you're smelling nice at all the times. I am extremely particular about how I smell. I'm not even a person who sweats a lot, but I really like this. I've gone through bottles of this. This really keeps you smelling nice and wonderful, and basically if you spray this in your armpits, it just makes sure that you're not sweating a lot in the entire day. It's an odor control and something that you should really use even besides the perfumes that you use. So I personally am a person who really likes fragrances. This one right here has a very subtle kind of a floral fragrance. It comes in many other fragrances, but I like the natural one. It's subtle, it's soft, and it keeps you dry all day long. Really highly recommend this. My next product is something that is very important to start your skincare, and that is a good face wash. The first one that I have for you here is from Forest Essentials. It's their Kashmiri Saffron and Neem face wash. I love this so much. Now you must be thinking I have this in travel size bottle is because before this entire COVID situation, I used to travel quite a lot personally and professionally as well. So I really like this product, and this is such a beautiful face wash. It does the job really well. It cleanses your face, gets rid of any dirt and grime. And this is very good for dry skin people also. I get a lot of questions from a lot of you who are dry skin that I don't show products for dry skin simply because I'm combination skin and I've researched more on acne prone, oily combination skin type, but I am trying to include products for drier skin type people also. So if you want a good bet on a face wash, highly recommend this. Even sensitive people, oily, combination, acne prone, whatever your skin type is, this is a great bet. The next face wash would be something that's a lot more affordable and does the job really well, is from Himalaya. It's their Neem face wash. Something again that I've used a lot. I travel with this a lot also. It does the job really well. It's super affordable and suits a lot of skin types. In fact, even drier skin type people can use this. Combination, oily. This is a very good product, has neem in it, so acne prone people would really going to love this. The next product that I have for you guys are face mists and toners. Now I personally really like face mists because I think they're very refreshing, and even toners because they maintain the pH of your skin and they immediately hydrate your skin moment you wash it. The first one that I have is a face mist from Deve Herbs. I've shown this to you guys earlier also. I really like this product. It is very gentle and mild on the skin, and it is super pure. In fact, all their products are. So if you want something for sensitive skin in specific, anyone can use this, but specifically for sensitive skin, I highly recommend this because this is going to calm any kind of redness or rashes on your face. I like to use this on top of my makeup. I like to use this on top of my toner even. The next one that I have is from Good Vibes. This is their Pomegranate Glow Toner. This is such a beautiful product. I use this on top of my makeup. In fact, one of you had suggested that try it on top of makeup and you will have that beautiful glow and it's going to hydrate your skin immediately. This is such a good product, you guys. It really gives you that very fresh feel moment you apply it on top of your makeup, and even your makeup starts to look a lot more fresher. So I actually tried this 4-5 hours after having applied my makeup, and I really like the effect of this. The next thing that I have is actually a proper toner, and you've seen me talk about this so much. I love this product. I've used so many bottles of this. It's super affordable and it does the job well. It is the Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. I think this is a fabulous product and it really does the job well. It tones your skin, it maintains the pH of your skin, especially if you have oily acne prone skin or if you have very congested pores. if you have blackheads, this is really a product to try out, guys. The next two important skincare products that you really need to have in your skincare is a good face scrub and a good face mask. Now in summers, because we tend to sweat so much, it's really important to scrub your face, exfoliate your skin at least once a week, and then use a good exfoliating mask, something that cools your skin and also heals your skin if you have any acne issues or any pigmentation, you have any acne scars or any skin concern that it can treat. The first thing that I have is a face scrub, something that I've showed to you guys earlier as well. It is the Biotique Papaya Tan Removal Face Scrub. Now if you are a college going student specifically, or if you travel in public transport a lot, you must be getting a lot of tan. Now this is a product that I have used and I swear by. I really like this for getting rid of any tan. It exfoliates your skin very gently. The best thing that I like about the scrub is that it has very mild exfoliating beads, so that is something that really works well for me. The face mask that I would recommend, something that I only got my hands on very recently, but I have been loving this so much. I did mention this in my face masks video also. If you missed that video, I'm going to link here. The face mask that I'm talking about is the Dot & Key Pollution Plus Acne Green Clay Mask. This is such a beautiful product, you guys. Has no chemicals, something that sensitive skin people can use, acne prone, if you have pigmentation. This has such good ingredients in this that this is going to help so many skin concerns, especially in summers, because this is so cooling on your skin. I don't even have a lot of acne problem, but I loved this. I'm so glad I got my hands on this because it's so cooling in summers. It just sat so well on my skin, and after I removed this, I mean, I still had that cooling sensation. I really like a product that, you know, delivers what it commits, and this one right here delivers more than what it's committing on the packaging. Beautiful product. I'm really wanting to get my hands on more products from Dot & Key because I loved this one. And look at the packaging. It's so beautiful. I personally am someone who does not give a damn on the packaging. I really need the product to work and deliver what it says. But this brand right here is doing a lot more. It's giving you good packaging. It's an Indian homegrown brand. It's giving you good ingredients, something that's chemical free. And a lot of you guys out there, especially sensitive skin people who can't use a lot of skincare, this is a product you definitely want to try. My next two skincare essentials for summers would be two good moisturizers. Now I have one for oily combination, acne prone and sensitive skin, and the other one for dry skin. Now I personally like both these moisturizers, and the dry skin one works for me. I'm a combination skin type. So I'm going to show you the first one, which is no surprises here, is the Pond's Super Light Gel. This is such a beautiful moisturizer. It's an oil-free gel and it works so beautifully on so many skin types. I personally really like this product. I've spoken about this product at length. Again, if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link here. I've done a full comparison of this product with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. This is something that I have been loving so much, especially in summers, because it's the perfect amount of moisturization that my skin needs. If you are someone who's oily skin also, you're going to like this. The next one that I have is for someone who is dry skin. Now, I personally really like this product for my skin also, but if you're dry skin, you have to be a little bit generous and you're going to love this as well. It is the Chia Seed No Shine Intense Hydrating Cream from Face Shop. Now, I have also spoken about this product again. I really like this cream. It is like a cream in between a gel. It's neither a cream nor a gel. Whatever the formulation is, it's beautiful. It really hydrates my skin well. I like to use this at night in specific. So if you're combination skin, you would like to use this at night. I wouldn't recommend this for acne prone or if you're oily skin, because this can be way too much hydrating for your skin, like way too much oily for your skin. But if you're a dry skin type person, you're going to love this. It really hydrates your skin really well. And my skin in specific is having a gala time with this particular moisturizer. A lot of you have asked me, what do I wear underneath? I wear this a lot under my makeup. My next two products would be two sunscreens. I've done a full review on my favorite sunscreens and I'm going to link it here if you've not seen it. Now, I have two here which I use very, very often, and I cannot stress enough on the importance of using the sunscreen whether you're indoors or outdoors. The first one that I have is a body sunscreen. It is from Nivea. It's the Protect and Refresh 50 SPF. This is a really, really good product. It comes in a different packaging if you're buying it in India. And this is a product, guys, that is very good if you're looking for a good body sunscreen in specific, because it has a spray mist. It becomes very easy for you to use it on your body. If you are a person on the go in specific like me who needs to do things quickly, then this comes really handy and it's very easy in comparison to a cream where you have to rub the cream on your body. The other thing that I have here, the second product, would be something that's controversial. Many people like it, many don't. I personally really like it. It works for my skin. This is the La Roche-Posay Broad Spectrum Anti-Leos sunscreen in the SPF 60. I have used it in the past also, and I've really not had any issues with this sunscreen. Some people say it crumbles on their face and all of those things, but for me in specific, personally, I really like this sunscreen. It works really well under makeup also. Now this is the only high-end product that I have in this video, but I had to show it to you guys because I really do like it and I do genuinely use it on a daily basis. The other sunscreen that I really love and alternate with La Roche-Posay is the Sun Cross sunscreen. It's a matte sunscreen, and if you are oily skin, combination skin, or even acne prone sensitive skin, you should definitely try that sunscreen. It was recommended to me by my dermatologist, and I really like that sunscreen. It sits beautifully under makeup as well, and it really leaves your skin absolutely matte. Now, since we are talking about SPF, let's get them out of the way. Now, I personally do feel that wearing an SPF on your lips really does make a lot of difference. It helps your lips from getting discolored, and the one that I really like is from Sebamed. It comes in an SPF of 30, and this is something I really like wearing under my lipstick also. So on a daily basis when I'm not wearing a lipstick, I would just use this. It's not just providing a good SPF to your lips, it also is a very hydrating lip balm. So something that I've used a lot again and swear by. Now we are down to our last 3 products, and I'm going to quickly run through these. The next thing that I use after my SPF if I've had a skin burn or a rash is an aloe vera gel, and the one that I'm liking these days is from La Organo. This I did not buy, it was sent to me, but I genuinely feel this is a great product. They sent me a lot of other products, but the one product that really stood out for me was their aloe vera gel. This is something I use on my hair also, and even on my skin, because I do tend to get a rash around my cheek area, and I like to go in with an aloe vera gel. So it's a very good product to have in summers in specific. The next product would be something again I've talked about in the past. It's a Raga Detan Bleach. So because if you are someone who's stepping out a lot in the sun, currently we are not because we are in a lockdown, but hopefully whenever this gets lifted and we are back to our normal lives, if you are someone who travels in public transport a lot, you should really give this a go, because you can get tan very easily, and this helps get rid of the tan very easily. I use this at least once in 15 days. This is something you can use on your face and body also. So it's like a product that is a multi-purpose thing. You don't have to go in buying various different products for body and face. My last summer essential is something that we don't just need during a pandemic, but everyone, and this is irrespective of your age, whether you're an adult or a child or a middle-aged person or a senior citizen, you definitely need to have a sanitizer on you at all times. I personally like the Lifebuoy one simply because it's not very strong on the fragrance bit. Now, if you are someone on the go, if you're outside your house, and because we do touch a lot of things and we come in contact with a lot of bacteria, it's very important to have a sanitizer with you at all times to keep ourselves clean and free from any kind of bacteria and any kind of viruses. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And until I see you next, guys, thanks so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.